back. Clash. If you don't already know, Clash and Dash is a series I have here on the YouTube where I play a little bit of Clash and a little bit of Dash. So, Clash of Clans, building good defenses is just as important as aggressive attacking. When it loads, you'll notice that my village has been attacked. Well, I guess not. It has been attacked though. Let's see who attacked me. Oh, okay. It's good to donate, guys. I'm gonna donate to my buddy here. I'm gonna donate 5. Because you get points from donating. Alright, and let's see who attacked me. Oh, I got attacked twice. I won one of those attacks and lost one. Let's look at the one that I won. Let's fast forward it too. It came in on the side right there. My archer looks slow. Really slow. Both of them. That giant took a lot, caused a lot of damage. Look at all this loot I lost. Okay, he didn't have the quantity. He didn't have that much people, that much barbarians, or he had a lot of giants. That's 10. That's a lot for giants. And okay, right now I got a camp that's being upgraded to level 5. This is the spell factory, level 1, and that has about 17 hours. And I got another camp that's gonna be finished in about 2 hours. So I have no builders available right now, and my shield is active for 10 hours, and I can attack and let my shield down, or I can just let it go. Just let it go. Let it go. Okay, as you can see here, I'm collecting flags. I'm halfway done. I want to get more flags. And I got a trunk there I want to remove, but my builders are busy. I have 3 builders. And shall we attack? Shall we attack? Yeah, let's attack. Let's do one attack. 120. I could just straight up demolish this guy for what he has. Let's do it. It's not even probably worth it, but this one's for trophy points. This is a tune-up fight. Making it rain on this guy. Getting some elixir, some gold. I'm only gonna get like 1,000. This was horrible, but I need some victories. Gotta get some victories here and there. Wow, that's a lot. A lot of guys are still alive. Fantastic. Okay, I'm probably gonna finish up here. My builders are busy, and I'm not in boost mode as far as my training. So yeah. Let's do some Clash and Dash. Let's do some Dash. Some WeChat Dash. WeChat Dash, as you may know, it's also known as Guns Dash. They must have got rid of Guns Dash. Read daily news for more info. You know what? I just might do that. Daily news for more info. Alright, let's play. This is my Facebook account. My WeChat Dash / Facebook account. You can also log in with your WeChat Dash account. So, this one I got a motorcycle. I don't have a pet on this one. And my score isn't as high. Come on. That's one of the new things that WeChat Dash has that Guns Dash didn't, is those blocks. Those genies. Horrible. Oh, what was that? I don't get that part. There's concrete underneath me. This guy's sneaky. He's crafty. Gotta get him, gotta get him. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, man. Alright, I'm gonna switch to my other account. WeChat login. Hopefully it doesn't ask for a password and stuff. As you know, WeChat Dash, it's gonna ask for you to ask permission from you to do stuff. Uh-oh. This is the latest news. Alright, I gotta get my score up. Let's do this. Use Holy Bracelet and get 3,000 meters rush. There's my pet. The scooter is definitely slower than the motorcycle. For obvious reasons, it's a scooter. Come on. I got lucky there. Surfboard. Come on. It's the same thing that happened on the last one. Come on, I'm like, oh my gosh. I wonder how many diamonds I get a day. Probably not that much. Catch this guy. Come on, man. What a cheater. Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater. Come on. I'm not buying that. Maybe I got a personal high score. I'm gonna change pets after this one. I guess this is the Magic Kingdom. I don't know. There's snow here. Ugh. Come on, get in the zone. Ugh. Oh, what the heck? That's unbelievable. Alright. Pet. I don't like this pet. I'll use this guy. Rush. Okay. Vehicle. Maybe I can upgrade. Should I upgrade my character? Yeah. I should definitely upgrade my character. Okay. Let me upgrade the vehicle. Man. Man, I want one of these motorcycles, dude. How do you get those? You need a draw. I only have... So not fair. Alright. Let's play. Let's play. I need to get my score up. Leopard gets an amazing change in super mode. Oh, cool. Looks like we're in a factory of some sort. A warehouse. And Tweety Bird is there, my pet, guiding me to victory, to glory, to the promised land. Just plain horrible. Plain horrible. It's the city. Oh my goodness. Buy background effects and get more credits. I got one heart left. Look at that unicorn. Looks like I'm in Hawaii or maybe Florida right now. Let's see how I can play here. I'm kind of an islander myself, so I should do a pretty good job on this level. These cubes make this game almost like Mario Brothers. What was that? What the fudge, man? Receive a heart every 10 minutes. Alright. Pets help you get more skills and points. Come on. Looks like I'm... Oh my god, I'm playing hard. It's not easy talking and playing, I guess. Some people are good at it, some people aren't. Maybe I'm just one of those, you can only do one at a time. What is this? Buy items. World Cup gift. Cool. Okay, now I'm broke. Thanks, recommendation. Alright, I guess I'll sign off for now. Hey, don't forget to freaking subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is right there. Like my fan page, it's in the description. Check out my blog. If my fan page isn't in the description, then it's going to be on my blog. But yeah, like the fan page. And also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Alright guys, talk to you later. Peace.